Have you ever heard this sound? When your air conditioning turns on, or if you have a heat pump, if your AC or heat turns on, it could be a sign that your system is about to fail, and it could happen at the worst moment in the heat of summer or the dead of winter. But the fix could be as easy as changing a battery. I'm Kevin, trying to make your life easier and happier. The sound you heard early in this video could be that the capacitor for your condenser unit here and the condenser unit fan is about to fail. I've been hearing this sound for almost 2 years, but it finally went out on me and the capacitor finally died. So with an easy call to the HVAC people, they were able to fix it in less than 40 minutes, but that was going to cost, something like $400. Thankfully, I have a warranty, but you can do this fix on your own. This is the AC disconnect box, and it's very important that you first pull this breaker out and put it on top so that you ensure no power is going to your condenser unit. From there, we're going to remove this panel right here to access the capacitor for the condenser unit and the condenser fan. With the panel removed from just 4 simple 8mm bolts, you can identify the capacitor here with the blue wire and the yellow wire. I think the blue wire goes to running the coolant through the system, and the yellow wire is what's responsible for turning your condenser unit fan on and off. Once you determine that your capacitor is failing or doesn't have the charge it's supposed to, you can purchase a new one for probably around $100 and install it yourself. Almost as simple as replacing a battery. You might have to change the housing depending on the size of the capacitor, the new capacitor, but that's all there is to it. Did you hear that sound? That's another neighbor and their capacitor fan starting to fail. So with just a little bit of effort and taking your time, you can replace this capacitor for probably about $100. You can do it yourself, save yourself hundreds of dollars in labor, and also prevent having a catastrophic failure of your AC or heat pump system at the worst time of the year. Good luck, and let me know if you've been hearing this sound for your system and if you're going to tackle this change.